What's up, guys? What's my intro? Let me start over. What's up, guys? It's your new best friend, Ceiba. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the squad. Today, I am doing a Valentine's Day look. This is going to be a very easy look. I didn't use more than 5 shadows. I actually chose this look because of a Twitter poll. I asked you guys what kind of beginner's level, basic level makeup looks you guys wanted to see, and you all voted on mauve eyes and mauve lips. So here I am. I'm actually really kind of upset. I had filmed an easy mauve smoky eye in 4 steps a couple days ago, and all that footage disappeared off of my camera, so I was not able to use any of that footage, and so I'm refilming the look again. And today's Sunday and my videos go up on Wednesdays, so hopefully I'm able to get this look up on time, which I mean most likely I will, but it's just that I'm kind of not feeling well today, and I know that I'm not going to be feeling well for the rest of the week because today is day 1 of my visit, I guess. But anyways, I tend to have really bad periods because I have polycystic ovary syndrome, which just means that I have a lot of ovarian cysts, and so I get a lot of pain, and then my period lasts up to 9 days. So very not fun. But by the way, it does come regularly, mostly like 2 to 3 times a year. So I guess it makes sense how bad my periods get, but still. I know that I'm about to be editing this video trying not to cry from cramp pain, so I'm not looking forward to that. But I am looking forward to the 3 Valentine's Day looks that I'm gonna have up. Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh, today's Super Bowl Sunday, February 4th. We have about 10 days until Valentine's Day, which means that I have 10 days to get up 3 looks. So I hope that's gonna go well. Right. If you want to become a part of the Ceiba squad, hit that subscribe button down below. I've been welcoming all new subscribers who comment on my videos into the squad. Also, if you would like for me to follow you on any social media or subscribe back, please comment that also down in the comment section. I'm so happy to support everyone who supports me. So there's that. Without further ado, if you would like to see what I did to get this simple mauve makeup look for Valentine's Day, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm actually really not feeling well today. I have a little change of scenery. I'm filming on my bed. I feel just kind of like gross, but that happens to all girls during Shark Week, I assume. I have a few palettes in front of me that have purpley shadows. So I did a poll on Twitter recently asking what kind of Valentine's looks you guys want to see. I promised 3 looks, so I'm getting out 3 looks. And for the basic, easy kind of look, you guys requested, or you guys voted on a mauve shadow look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So if you don't know what mauve is, the best way I could describe mauve would be purpley pink browns. That's what a mauve color is. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this lavender color. By the way, my brush is dirty. I did not feel like cleaning it. Sorry. And I'm going to put that right in the crease. Oh, that was more pigmented than I expected. By the way, when I did my look where I used every shadow in this little palette, I fell in love with that lavender color and now I want to use it in everything. So now that I have that laid down, I'm just going to take this really light mauve color right here in the center of the Morphe 25B, and I'm going to add that around the edges up here. Or actually, I'm just gonna put that right on top, who cares? And I'm gonna mix those two and put it right on the bottom lash line. I'm trying to work quickly because we're having like a barbecue, I guess, here at my house for my little cousin's birthday. And I really wasn't gonna wear makeup because I'm not feeling it today, but I'm like, girl, we gotta get the video out. So I don't plan on using too many shadows for this look, but I did bring out a bunch of palettes because I'm kind of just winging it right now. I had no plan. My other video was super planned. I did that look at least 3 times before I decided on it. Or honestly, just hoping for the best at this moment. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this Mauve satin shadow here. And I'm gonna also put that in the crease. No, follow. Oh, how do we think things through, man? Such an airhead today. Okay, now I'm gonna pinch this brush just like this, and I'm gonna dip it into that same color, and I'm gonna start in the center and go on my lower lash line. I'm actually like half glad that I'm redoing this look because last time I did it, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a mauve. And it did not come out mauve. Not bad. I'm gonna blend this color also on the lid just a little. There we go. Got that second color laid down. Now on a third brush, just this little brush here. Actually, I lied. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with my lid color. It's this metallic shadow. I'm gonna take it on my ring finger. This is from the 35W by Morphe. And I'm going to apply that using my ring finger all over the lid. And I'm also taking that slightly into the crease because I'm gonna blend it out in a second. I've been realizing that sometimes I'm like doing my shadow and I'm like this and you guys can't see anything that I'm doing. I'm really sorry about that. Taking that brush from the middle shade and blending just over the edges of that purple shadow. I'm going to take a lighter shadow. I think I'm going to take this purpley, it kind of has purple and pink reflex on my finger as well. And I'm going to leave the inner and outer corners alone, just in the center to give my eye dimension. I should have brought a brush for the fallout. Lastly, I'm going to take a warm purple shade. So this look's gonna like make sure we don't look like somebody beat us up, and I'm gonna use it on this little really tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my outer V. And of course go halfway in and come back. Don't worry guys, I know it's not blended all the way. Now taking that same color on a little flat brush and going right under the lash line. I'm not putting any shadow, I'm not putting any eyeliner on my lower lash line because my eyes are just really itchy today. I feel like I need just to give myself a little pause from putting black liner in my lash line. Okay, now that we have that darker purple shadow laid down, I'm gonna go back in with the brush from the middle color, and I'm just gonna blend out. Oh, poke my eye. Morphe shadows blend so easy, I don't have to do much work. You know what, I changed my mind about not putting that lighter color in the inner corner, so I'm gonna take it again on my pinky and just add that in there. And adding it in the inner corner as well. Taking this brush and blending inside here. Now that we have the shadow done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back for the lips. So I'm back with lashes on. Today I used something more toned down. I always feel like if I'm gonna see my boo on Valentine's Day, which this year I sadly probably won't, I want to be more toned down. I never want to look like too extra, I guess. So I put on some really soft lashes. These are some of my favorites. They're by House of Lashes in the style Siren. And when I first buy them, I always forget, and I do this every time I buy a new pair, right? I always forget that I wear them backwards. So I wear the lash that's supposed to go in the left eye, I put it on the right eye, and vice versa. So yeah. But I've also pre-lined my lips with a lip liner by NYX in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm about to apply this lipstick by Lancome in the color Lucky Kiss. You know how there's like a regular mirror and then there's like the mirror for people who can't see, aka me? Well, I've been using that one. Oh no, my lash is lifting. Girl, stay. So now that we have a monochrome mauve look going on, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Oh. I have a friend who's, let me grab a, sorry, finding myself with the One Direction DVD. Anyways, so I have a friend who puts this in her hair and I was like, girl, what does that do? But I mean, I guess I should try it. Mist onto hair, face, and skin throughout the day as needed. Interesante. So this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys are satisfied with the mauve look that I came up with this time. I hope everyone who recreates this look or tries to recreate this look in any way, even if it's in a different color. Speaking of Valentine's, anyways, so if anyone recreates this look, tag me please. I would love to see any looks that you recreate for my channel. I'll leave all my social medias in the description box below. As always, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like this video. I don't know where the like button is, but I know that you know. So go ahead and hit that like button, girl. That's it for today, best friend. See you next time. I'm a joke.